Hey, what's up traders? The FFX Hunter here with the midweek update. So yesterday was the COT data released, and it's because it was a Tuesday, so this is when they reporting the data. It's mainly, we know that the banks are trying to hide their intentions. So today is a Wednesday. Yesterday they was dropping the price on the many pairs, and I believe today a big reversal and big uptrends to happen. So right now we are looking to the USD NOK, Norwegian crown. So we are moving in the fourth corrective structure, fourth wave. So basically what happened here, this correction, then the tension is growing and the nice volume on the lows. So I think this is the currently the buying on these lows happening in this accumulation phase, and we will see move up, break, and then a big continuation. Norway is a very big exporter of the oil, which is down now, so I'm expecting it to go up. Next one is a pound cat. We are already in this trade. We entered on the bottom of this channel, so price dropped a little bit down, and right now I believe that we will see the move up because the pound is the most oversold currency. It's on the historical lows, and the Canada is currently in kind of the troubles, like every country is right now current in the trouble, but as well they are very packed to the oil. This is EURUSD. We had an amazing trade last week when we took it from this level all the way down. We closed somewhere here, nice pips. Now we've been waiting for the retracement into this POC level, where was this beautiful this drop down. I'm sorry what I'm doing. Where was this beautiful drop down caused like this strong move? So I was expecting that some more orders could be here. So we entered yesterday. Now the price is dropping nicely, so perfect. Nothing to comment more. So I'm set in my channel. I'm expecting the JPY pairs be strong. This is the USD SEK. We are already in the trade as well. We have entered on the bottom of this channel. So what was basically going on here is that we have so we have as usually this wave 1, 2, 3, then the corrective wave 4, boom, move up. Here was this kind of like a small channel, so I was speculating for the retest, which happened, as well this big long-term channel, nice volume growing here on the bottom. So I think we are ready to go up. USD is about to be strong against all currencies. I will share a pretty interesting article below my video about the USD, because many people are thinking that the quantitative easing and the current market situation will be weak for the dollar, but this is actually not true. Even the very bad non-farm payrolls will bring the strong dollar. As well, we can see on the COT that the banks are buying it, so there is no doubt about it. SEK, Swedish crown, Sweden is actually only one country which is not doing anything against the coronavirus. The people are working without hiding their face, anything. So I think it will hit their economy, and this will go up a lot. So this is great trade. Next one is the pound yen. Pound yen, what we can see here, we can see that the price is moving up like this, right? So sorry, I don't have it. So the price is moving up, but what's happening with the volume? Volume is going down, right? So if the price is moving up and no on the low volume, especially here on this in this end where the price is doing this structure, I believe this will not move too much, because what we want to see on the strong move, we want to see some nice volume like was here. You can see this, right? This beautiful volume here, and then the strong downtrend, everything on the big volume, right? So here is no volume, so this is just the correction. So we have volume, no volume, and here the volume will come again. So I'm expecting is this drop too much. very much. As I said, all the JPY pairs will be dropping because the JPY is still safe haven currency and it's gonna be strengthening. And the COT data shows that. If you don't know, just watch my previous video because I showed everything about the COT and current positions. Next one is Aussie Yen, very similar situation. So we are moving in these channels, which I mentioned in the previous video. So we have this channel here. Let me bring this right. So we have this long-term channel, and we just moved up to this channel as well, decreasing volume, and we are just here. So I'm still not in the position because of course it could probably move higher or whatever, so that would be better for me to not be in the positions. If it will move higher, I will simply move my entry higher, right? So that's better. If I will enter, if it will start drop and I will enter here, okay, perfect. I could enter here and have this already in the target. But what's gonna happen when I enter here? Watch this. This is the POC level, right? This is a strong level. Once this level will be broken, I have very big possibility that it will go down much higher than speculating here, right? Because we don't know where the market will reverse. But once it start to break the levels, and it will be with a strong volume, there is much higher possibility that it will continue dropping. CAD yen is very similar situation. However, here the structure looks a little bit different. So what do we see here? We had this drop. We had this nice drop on the waves again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So here is this accumulation. Right. Now as well we are moving up. There is no volume. So I'm expecting it to drop strongly down. As said, the CAD is weak because of this cut of the interest rates, and there's all problem with the oils. So there is a lot of uncertainty. As well, the COT of course confirms that there is a lot of traders. I mean, the hedge funds closing the shorts positions on the USD CAD, which means the strong weak CAD. As well, the yen is set expecting to be strong. So as well here I will be entering on the break of this low, and my target is all the way down to the monthly support here. Next one is euro dollar. So here we had this trade last week. This was a pretty good one. So we basically took around 200 pips or something here. Then I was expecting the price to retrace to this middle band of this long-term channel. Actually, on the beginning of this week, I set the position as the sell limit, and I put it here. So I was expecting the price to reach and short it here, but it would be perfect, right? But as you can see, yesterday I just send the signal to change it to the sell stop in here, because I think for me it looks like it's a Tuesday. They moved price up, so they move it up. Sorry, I wanted this one. So they move it up. Here they report the COT. COT will be reported as a positive because on this up move they created added some longs. So they actually hiding their intention. Now the people will see on the Friday the COT release, and there will be positive longs. However, today, as you can see, since yesterday when they reported it, as my indicator is showing, they started to closing these longs, and price will be again dropping down. So that's why I switched to the sell stop, and we are actually already in the position. This is how they are hiding as long as possible their positions. Next one is EURUSD. EURUSD actually I would like to go long. However, even I'm bearish with the euro. On the CAD, I think that here is a potential to go up. Not mentioned the market structure. You can see we have these waves here. Here we have this accumulation. This move down is as well with the dropping volume, and but I don't want to enter right now. The reason is simple, because we can see here is the 1, 2. This is like creating the level, right? So what's that? Of course, stop loss zone, and here will be the stop losses of the buyers. So what I want to see is the drop down and then continuation up. So I will be waiting with the buy limit, and I will not be entering until that happens. Because what can happen right now, and it most likely happens, they will start to move price up to attract the buyers. So there what's happened when the people start to buy here? Of course, here will appear even more stop losses. So what's this stop losses? It's a liquidity for the banks to buy. So they can move the price up, and then they will drop it lower down here. Then they will drop it lower down here, and from here they could start to move it up, right? Next one is I have a many setups actually already. So next one is Aussie. We have this trade. So as well the price on most of the pairs right now is the same structure, right? So price is in the strong downtrend. Now we have this correction wave, right, with the slowing volume, right, reaching the supply zone where was this nice volume started down. So here I have this this trend line on the small time frame breaking. So boom, and it will be dropping. Beautiful one will be this one. Next one is a gold, very similar as well. So what do we have here? We have this, right? So price is moving in this sorry so price is moving in this channel here. So here we had the move up on the lowering volume. We can see the volume is low, and here on the top is big volume. Why is the volume on the top big? Because it's closing volume of the closing the positions. If it's a bullish volume, which could means the trend, the volume will be here. But you can see very low, and here bigger, right here on the top. So it's could be the closing volume, and what I'm expecting is to the breakdown, because the COT positions banks has closed more than 40k thousand contracts in the last week. So I think this will gonna happen. Here is the here is the um, oh wait, I must change. Okay, so here is the kiwi is as well same structure, simply decreasing volume, supplies untested, middle band of the channel, right? So I'm waiting for the break here. Next one is USD Chinese yuan. Here I want to go long because the China is in deep trouble. We have this wave structure here, and right now in this channel, which is slowly reaching to this nice demand zone. So in here I would like to go long, but it's not yet. I think we will see the drop first. Today is a FOMC, so there will be some occasion for this manipulation. So next one is USDSGD, Singapore dollar currency, which depends their strength on the world export and world trade, which is actually currently very down due to the coronavirus and the stuff. So right now market structure, you can see it as well. Here is the where I will want to enter, right? It's moving up right now, but look at the volume, not proper volume. What I want to see, how I want to see the started trend, I don't need to see the big volume like this one, but what I want to see is that the volume is like average, right? And I want to see something like a bigger than average, right? Like this candle, which has made it, right? And now it looks differently because in here we have big volume everywhere. So right now we are still below the average, below the average, nothing extra. And here I have this trend line with this timer. So once this trend line might break, then it will start to do some correction, and then I will be entering. So this is like my pre-plan. Of course, if it drops down here I have another alarm. So this is how I watch it, and now I will be looking for the long. Next one is a USD CAD. On this USD CAD as well, I wanna go long. So now it's breaking through this one, but I still believe this is not ready yet to go just like this, because maybe this will be hunted first and then up, right? So USD CAD, I'm bullish. Next one is USDJPY, very similar like other pairs. So what do we see here? We can see the drop. There was not so big volume here yet, but then on the up move there is a volume, then closing volume, and then what we see here we see the drop, up move, right, at slow volume. So I think that here we will see big move down, big move down. My target is on the 100. Next one is USD franc. This one is it's too high for me to enter the long, so I want to see it drop first much lower. This one USD CZK as well. I would be interested to trade it here. Next one is pound. Pound, if it looks good, but what I would like to see first is some, some manipulation into these stop losses, and then I would like to enter the short. Or if it breaks first down, then I would like to see the retracement, right? So I'm waiting here. Next one is Kiwi, and very similar like other pairs. So we can see up move, lowering volume. However, here was not the supply zone reached yet. So what can happen is this, boom, boom, right? So I'm waiting here for some more correction. However, on the JPY, I have many trades already, so I don't need to have all currencies traded against the JPY, right? I am already in these trades. In these three, I have already 4 trades on the JPY pair, so no reason to put NZD as well. So this one, because doesn't look so good currently, so I will see how it will be developing, maybe then on the correction, right? So it's all the question. Franc yen, another one, bearish with the JPY, but this structure is difficult to trade. It looks very unclear. However, mostly from the unclear, this looks like very tough to trade, to don't know what to do, but mostly these unclear charts, they can break, they can take it down. This can happen, and might I will be thinking about this trade order on the retracement, something like this, right? So this is all my question of the pre-plan. This is Euro Kiwi. Yes, on the Euro I'm bearish, but the Kiwi I think is more bearish, and I think this could break up nicely. So I'm waiting for the break, then the retracement will be entering. Next one is the Aussie CAD. Even I'm bearish with the CAD, I think the Aussie is even the more bearish. So here I will be waiting for the break, and I will try to join it to take the price all the way down into this long-term channel. Alright, so this is just a quick update of my trades which I'm currently monitoring, some of them already running. So yeah, I wish you have a great trading week, my friends. Bye bye.